Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as the cold season approaches, I decided to make scarves, and these are a few of them that I have made earlier. So I decided to make a tutorial on it. So a lot of people ask me where I get my fabrics from, and it's from August Fabric on Instagram, so you can check it out at August Fabric. And I also have an online store, an accessory store, where I have banners, scarves, scrunchies, head wraps. So you can also check it out if you want any of the scrunchies or any other scarf that I'm about to make today. So let's get into the tutorial. So I first iron my fabric, and I cut. The width of the fabric is 15 inches, so I went ahead and marked 15 inches, and I joined the lines, the markings, and I cut it out. So after cutting it out, this is like the last piece that I have, so it wasn't long enough, so I had to cut pieces and then join them together, but it came out really perfect. Make sure right sides are facing right sides, pin it down so it doesn't shift or anything, and sew a straight line to join them together. So after joining the fabrics together, I'm gonna go ahead and press the open seam, and for the length of the scarf, it is actually the whole length of my tape measure. So the tape is the 60 inches one, and it's the whole length from one end to the other. So I went ahead and cut the same for my fair fabric, and I'm gonna lay it right side facing each other, and I'm gonna pin it down. Guys, you need to pin it down because you don't want the fair shifting when you're sewing. It's really terrible, and it's really hard working with fair, to be honest. And here I made a mistake. I decided not to edit it out to show you guys so that you don't have to make the same mistake that I made. I make it so you guys don't have to make it. So you need to make sure you're really sewing on the fair, because sometimes it slides down because it's really soft and slippery. So it slides down and you actually sew on the very edge of the fair, which is not strong enough because it's gonna unravel. So you need to make sure you're really sewing on the fair. That is why you need the pins to hold everything in place and hold both sides as you sew. You need to be very attentive when you're sewing fair because it's really difficult, and the fraying and everything, it's just not so nice. So guys, after sewing, make sure you take out all your pins, and you can go ahead and turn the fabric to the right side. When you're sewing the edges to close it up, you need to go in as close as you can possibly go, but you know you cannot close it all the way through, so you're gonna have like about 2 inches that you're going to sew with needle and thread. Here is the most difficult and annoying part, and this is the part you have to use the lint ruler to take out the shredded fair. So you need to use about 10 layers of the lint rollers to get everything out. It's not an easy process, but you're almost done. So yeah. So thank you for staying with me to the end. Again, if you want these beautiful warm scarves, you can go to August Shop 74 on Instagram and you can order. And if you want the fabric that I use, you can go to August Fabrics on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe and I will see you later in the next one. Bye.